Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Dotday 4-pack of Walker ski glides for folding walkers and 3 things you need to know. I'm sure almost every one of us knows somebody who's using a folding walker, either for getting out in public or around the house. And you probably know some people use tennis balls. Well, tennis balls aren't that, they're an option, but they're not that much better than the rubber feet that come on these walkers. And this is something you can give them and even help them put it on that will extend the time that they can get before they have to replace them again. And it just all depends on how much they're using it is and what kind of surface. Thing number 1, this offers a smooth and effortless movement on almost any floor surface, whether it be laminate, carpet, concrete. It's going to make it a little bit easier. Thing number 2, these glides are compatible with various types of walker. You'll need to do a little bit of checking as to the diameter of the tubing that the walker is made out of, and that'll help you go a long way in finding the right thing for them. Thing number 3, the skis for this. Thing number 3, the Dotday skis for walkers are designed to be used with a walker that uses an 1.125" diameter tubing or piping, whatever you want to call it. So you'll need to make sure yours comes up in that range. And if it's a little over, a little under, you might find a way to make it to work, but that's going to be something you will have to invest. So take a look at these. This makes an excellent gift or something nice you can do for somebody who has a walker, and never hurts to have a pair of these laying around, just because if you see somebody in need, you can do something nice for them and help get their feet replaced, because this is something that they may not be able to find readily a source for. And this is just another way you can do something nice for somebody who will probably appreciate it more than you will ever know. So think about getting some of these today and being there to help someone when the time needs it.